The sketch command. Boy, did I use this a lot in my past life. So the sketch command is a very old command, probably one of the oldest commands I'm talking about. And what it allows you to do is freehand sketch any shape. You're not using lines, arcs, circles. You're just moving your mouse and it's creating geometry where you move it. The sketch command does have a tolerance value down here. Let me turn on dynamic input so we can see that. I don't think there's an icon for the sketch command. It's I've only known it to be a keyboard command. There may be an icon, I've just not seen it. So with the tolerance, you're basically telling it, or sorry, with the increment, you're telling it how long of a line segment do you want. So I've got mine set to 1/1000th of an inch. So I could change that if I want, but that's plenty enough for what I need. What I'm looking at is the surface of a casting, and they want to see how much of this surface has defect area on it. So what you can do is you can zoom in, of course, scan your picture and get it scaled accordingly, zoom in, and then you can just use the sketch command and you can outline your shape area. Now you can connect the endpoints or you can zoom in and manually do it. I prefer to use this method. So there's my outline. Right now, all it is a series of line segments. That's it. But I can use the polyline edit command, pick one of those segments, convert it to a polyline, and choose to join it to the other segments. And it creates a closed polyline object that I now get an area for that polyline object. So I can tell them it's 0.85 square, whatever units we're looking at, square inches in this case, for that defect area.